Hey, Google Workspace and Cloud Identity admins. This is Goldie again. I recently heard a question, which is, how do I figure out which Google Workspace or Cloud Identity subscription I'm using? And for that, it's very simple. I thought, let me just do a quick video and show you that. First of all, you should be a Google Workspace or Cloud Identity admin to figure that out. So I'll go to admin.google.com. Here, you will log in with your administrator credentials. Okay, and once you are in your admin console, you will click on billing, and then you will click on subscriptions. And here you should be able to see all the subscriptions that you have. For example, here I only have Cloud Identity free subscription. If you need to purchase more subscriptions, you can of course click on add or upgrade, and you can sign up for the subscriptions listed here. Now, in case if you need to see which subscription or which license is assigned to any of your given users, you can simply search for that specific user. For example, here, let's say if I search for myself, I can go to the user's profile page, and if you scroll down a bit here, you will see licenses here. Okay, and when you click on that, you will see that this user has been assigned a Cloud Identity free license. If you have multiple subscriptions, let's say along with Cloud Identity free, if I also have Google Workspace Enterprise Plus and Cloud Identity Premium, and if I assign multiple licenses to any given user, those multiple licenses will be shown right here. So I hope that might be helpful in case if you are wondering which subscription do you have as an organization and which subscription is assigned to a given user. You can check this out this way. With that, thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to go to goldiearora.com/FAQ. Let me know your question or your use case. By no means, I'm no expert, but I'll try to answer if I can. Thank you so much and have a nice day.